I was sent this little dog ramp for my review, and I'm excited because I'm trying it out for the first time. I'm trying to teach Walter not to jump on and off the bed. I'm a little bit worried about his hips as he's getting a bit older. So this is going to be our very first try. Obviously, I have to try with treats. He is extremely food motivated, so this is going to be really great. We're going to try a couple rounds, see how it goes. So I do like that it has felt on. Oh, look at him. Look at, he's like, oh, he was already using it. So it has felt on there, and then it does have like the little stairs so that he can actually get some grip on there, which is really nice. It's not just like a slant, which is good. So let's go ahead and see. Come on, buddy. Up, up, up. Oh, very good. So for his first try, that was fantastic. And Walter is heavy. Walter is 42 pounds. So let's see. Come on. So, okay, that's my only thing. So I'm going to have to get this to stay. Come, buddy. Come on. Come on. Oh, he's a little bit scared to come down. Good boy. Awesome. So I think the only thing is, look, he did that all on his own. You're so good. So I think my only issue with it being in here on the tile is it might slip around a little bit, but I do know that this is really good also for like cars and stuff, and you know, if you have carpet, this is going to be fantastic. So I might just need to find a little something to put on the bottom so it doesn't slip. So come on, buddy. Good. Okay, well, that one was a little bit. But yeah, so this is the highest height. So, okay, I have no more treats, but we got to show them how it works, bud. So this is the highest height, and you can, oh, I just got my finger. Okay, you can adjust it right here in the back. So as you can see, I have it at the tallest, and you just move it on the notches. And then when you are not using it, the thing that I like is this unhooks, this side unhooks, and then you can fold it in half, and then you hook these ones, really simple hook like this, and then like this. And then you can bring this with you on the go. That's why I think it is really great to have this in your car if your dog can't get in and out of the car. But again, we see, because he just jumps on the bed, which is fine. I'm just more worried about him jumping off. So we're definitely going to be using this quite a bit and get him trained to use this properly.